Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not going to be a beauty video or a daily vlog, yung mga usual na ina-upload ko on this channel. But instead, a thank you video for reaching 100,000 subscribers, 100k subs, however you want to put it. It's 100,000 of you watching my channel, supporting me all the way. When I was creating this YouTube account, because I created a new YouTube account para mag-start ako na aking channel, I really didn't think that I will be able to reach 100k subs. Kasi para sa akin, nung nanonood lang ako, alam kong mahirap talaga siyang i-reach. Especially during the first months, nung nalaman ko yung hirap ng pag-film. Masayang magsalita sa harap ng camera, sharing what you want to share. Pero yung post-production, guys, the work that goes into it, it will really take time to edit. And I'm not a very techie person. Natuto lang ako mag-edit mag-isa through watching videos. Mahirap siya. But I guess since I really wanted to do it, I persevered. And here we are now with my 100k fam. Thank you so much. And I figured out na kung thank you lang ang sasabihin ko sa video na to, which is yun lang talaga masasabi ko ngayon, sobrang thankful. So I'm just going to include 20 random facts about me and my channel. Number 1, I created this channel August 2015. I think that's August 5th. And it makes this channel 1 year and 5 months old. Second, unsure of uploading. My first ever video is a vlog with my dogs. And hindi ako nagsasalita sa vlog na yon. I look weird but I did it. And when I reached 100 views, sobrang saya ko na talaga nun, guys. As in, honestly, legit yung saya. And again, I wasn't speaking because I was really super duper shy back then. Ngayon pa rin naman mahihain ako, but not as shy as before. And number 3, if you wanna know how shy I was, let's watch this video. This is my first ever beauty video after na aking first ever vlog. I uploaded this current favorites number 1. I have my laptop here and let's watch my first ever video.
I'm Anna and welcome to my channel. I am so happy to virtually meet all of you for the first time. Today I have with me my current favorites, so without further ado, let's get started.
May ganun na talaga ako. Let's get started.
So for my first favorite, I have this Rimmel Stay Matte.
Wow, nagzo-zoom pa ako ng products, guys. Hindi pa ako ganun katamad.
So sobrang gusto ko na.
Pero sobrang lambot kong magsalita. Hindi ako ganyan talaga magsalita. Super duper.
01 Transparent, and then the other one is in 011 Creamy Natural.
But I can sense yung passion talaga ng mga times na to. Kasi
Tony Tint. Ito,
may gusto talaga ako.
siya lagi sa bag ko. It's actually ano.
Okay, time pa to ng Tony Moly Tint. Kasi ngayon KJM na yung ginagamit ko. Ang bigat ng laptop ko, in fairness.
You can Papa and the Sailor Man.
Bigas ang pabebe ko pa.
Good favorite? No more explanations. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. And if you want to see anything on my channel, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to do them for you. Bye, guys!
Ang pabebe. Wow, may editing. Anyway, ayan. Tapos, lilink ko rin naman yung huli kong ginawa na vlog. Well, pero nakaka-cringe, guys. As in, ang hirap niya panoorin para sa akin. Usually kasi, wait lang, stop na natin. Kadalasan, pag nag-upload ako, pag na-upload ko na siya, hindi ko na siya pinapanood. Sobrang bihira lang nanonood ako ng videos ko kasi wala lang, nakakailang manood ng videos ko. Una ko napansin, sobrang lambot ko magsalita, sobrang pabebe, sobrang mahiyain talaga. And for the next fact, which is connected to that, I am thankful for YouTube and my viewers who've helped me overcome my shyness. Well, not totally, nahihiya pa rin ako, lalo na pag unang beses ko lang mamimit yung tao or kung sino man, pero at least I know I am making progress. And I know that's what truly matters kasi kung hindi ka magte-take ng step forward, hindi ka talaga And I know that we all have to start somewhere, hindi naman pwedeng ganong level agad. And number 5, the reason why I am hesitant to upload videos on YouTube is because unang-una, natatakot ako sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Pangalawa, I am not a pro makeup artist. So baka kasi sabihin ng iba, ayan tayo baka kasi sabihin ng iba. But number 6, passion beats everything. Hindi ko alam kung anong sumapi sa akin o saan ako humugot ng lakas ng loob, but I did it. I uploaded my first ever beauty vid and ito na. Unang-una, yun din naman talaga yung reason kung bakit ko ginawa yung channel na to. I want to share my passion with makeup na nag-branch out na into vlogging and all that. Number 7, like other people who dive into their passion, you always have to do your reality check. When you want to film to your heart's content, it will take time. So, syempre, hindi ka makakapagtrabaho. And back then, I wasn't making as much as I did sa aking day job. I realized that I could not leave my day job, so pinagsabay ko silang dalawa. I have my day job and then I have YouTube. Ang hirap talaga mag-film nung time na yon, as in, papasok ako sa umaga, sa gabi ako mag-film. As much as I would want to be a full-time YouTuber, I can't. Financially, it's not possible. So I continue doing both, yung aking day job and YouTube, because I know na hindi ganun ka-stable si YouTube. And of course, may shelf life siya. Hindi ko naman nakikita yung sarili ko na nag-vlog mga 50 years old. I cannot speak for now. And the 8th fact, alam nyo ba na hindi ko alam na pwede kang kumita sa YouTube views. Akala ko lang you get compensated by brands or pag nag-endorse ko or nagpa-promote ka ng anything. Pero yung views pala merong bayad. So pagdating pa lang ng 8th month ko, saka ko lang nakuha yung aking first ever YouTube sweldo from the views. But within 4 months of YouTubing, nakakakuha na din ako ng compensation from brands na pinopromote ko. Syempre, yung mga items na talagang gusto ko lang. And number 9 guys, the best thing about YouTube other than you get compensated while doing your passion is that you get to meet people from all over the world. Sobrang saya lang when you get to meet people with the same likes as yours. Yung tipong maiintindihan niya yung pagkagusto mo sa makeup on that same level na hindi maintindihan ng ibang tao. And last but not the least is that you get to inspire people. Yung mga nare-receive ko na message sa mga bata na mag-aaral daw sila ng mabuti para daw paglaki nila, magagawa din daw nila yung gusto nila, or yung mga OFW na sobrang homesick pero pag napapanood yung videos ko, parang feeling daw nila nasa Pilipinas ka, nakakataba ng puso. Ang hirap i-explain ito guys but since what I'm sharing is just about makeup, it's superficial, real talk, kasi superficial lang naman talaga siya. But when your message transcends the message that you want to share to the point na nakaka-inspire ka ng tao, that for me is the best feeling of a YouTuber. For the brands that I share, I know I'm just their instrument to promote their items, but to people who watch me, they consider me as their family. That's heartwarming. Ito yung nangyayari pag sinabi mong random, as in kung ano-ano lang yung sinasabi ko. Sorry for that. I know first 10 facts is just super dramatic, super boring. So the next 10 is going to be about me. Sobrang oily ko na. Wait lang, magbablat lang tayo. But number 11 guys, if you're just new to my channel, I'm Anna and I am 27 years of age. So I'm not on my early 20s or teenage years, pero ang height ko for my 12th fact is that I am only 5 feet. So maliit lang talaga ako, pambatang height. Since you know that I'm already 27 years old, alam nyo na din na nakapag-college na ako. I finished BS Civil Engineering sa Mapua, but I did not pursue it. And that's for my own reasons. I don't want to be a civil engineer na hindi naman nagbibuild ng building. I just know that it's not for me. But the 14th fact, I am currently taking some courses from the Gemological Institute of America. Ang haba ng name niya. It's an online course but you do have to go to the campus para sa final exam because it's about diamond grading. About my likes naman, for the next fact, I like dogs. Nakita nyo naman sa vlogs ko yung aking tatlong aso, si Dixie, si Patek, si Lele. Si Dixie yung pinakauna ko nakuha and sobrang baby pa niya. I think mga 3 months or 2 months ko siya nakuha. Next, si Lele, nakuha ko siya 2 years old na and nakapanganak na. Nag-try kami na mag-conceive si Lele kaya lang nakunan siya, so pinatanggal ko na lang yung kanyang uterus para mas maging healthy siya. Tapos siya yung may Cushing's disease, yung nawawala ng hair, parang genetic disease siya sa POMS and I know sa tao may ganun din. Lastly, I took Patek home, siguro mga more than 1 year old ko siya nakuha since wala sa kanyang gustong bumili dahil hindi siya pwedeng mag-produce na ibang puppies. You have seen Patek, sobrang cute niya dahil lang sa reason na hindi siya makapag-sire ng puppies, hindi siya binibili. So naawa ako, so kinuha ko na lang siya. Few months after taking him home, I had his balls removed, surgically removed, para hindi na siya maging threat sa kanyang health. And nakita nyo naman si Patek, sobrang taba niya and sobrang furball talaga. Next fact, the only sport that I like is archery. Why? Because it doesn't involve any ball. Takot ako sa bola, tumatakbo ko pag naglalaro ng volleyball, basketball, kahit na anong may ball. Moving forward to the next fact, you all know that I am not a picky eater. I eat anything. Huwag lang yung super exotic and hindi lang tilapia kasi may allergy ako dun. Pero I like salty foods and sour foods. And syempre, mapapansin nyo rin sa vlog that I am not a healthy eater. Hindi ako pwedeng maging ehemplo sa pagkain kasi ako ay lafang. That I am trying to change and let's see this 2017 pero I highly doubt it. We're down to the last 2 facts and yes, I do have a boyfriend. His name is Jeloy. Kung nanonood kayo ng vlogs ko, makikita na siya nandun. Mukha lang siyang mahihain doon and sa mga bagong taong di pa rin niya nami-meet pero madaldal yun guys, trust me. Grabing mga asar yun guys, but on the brighter side, sobrang bait nun, wala na ako mahilin pa. Pag may events ako, hinahatid niya ako, naghihintay siya, lahat ng pwedeng magandang gawin, ginagawa niya. We're actually turning 6 years next month, February. Ayun nga, sinasabi ko nga, diba last na nga tayo. To all my homies and haters out there, I would just like to let you know that I'm a full-blooded Batangueña, both sides, mother and father, so yes. Hindi, joke lang yun guys, baka maniwala talaga kayo. Mabait ako guys, hindi ako marunong magbaliso. Ewan ko ba bakit ganun pag taga Batangas kailangan marunong daw magbalisong or matapang, pero hindi, mabait talaga ako. Personally guys, I think na okay naman yung pasensya ko, medyo mahaba-haba naman siya. Wag lang natin sagarin please. Kidding aside, that's my 20 random facts about me, and sana nagustuhan ninyo kahit na hindi ko alam kung anong flow na nangyari doon, basta nagsasalita lang talaga ako and kung anong maisip ko na susunod na sabihin. Again guys, maraming salamat. The time that I'm filming this, around mga nasa 99,500 ang aking subscribers, and I already pre-filmed it, so hindi ko pa talaga alam yung exact feeling na naka 100. Nag-feeling pa lang ako ngayon, so pag in-upload ko to, 100 na ako. Nahiya naman ako i-upload na maaga to, diba? Again, from the deepest bottom of my heart, I drew a heart here kasi mabilis siya magpura. Maraming salamat, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Bye! Hello! Thank you! Ay, wait lang guys. Hindi ko alam na